Hello guys, welcome to my vlog and welcome to the rooftop of the Hyundai department store Mokdong branch. So this is the Haus glass garden. Hello Joy, such a joy to see you. And that is the house glass inside. And those are the three Hyundai apartments. Oh, they turned off the heating here. So they got this lovely outdoor space for coffee or snacks. And this is the peak at the glass house. Let's go inside because it's cold now. So this is a very relaxing space. They got several islands of real plants. And the architects provided the proper lighting that will take care of these plants and the people also. If you'd notice, it's not very glary. Hindi siya nakakasilaw. So it's also good for humans. So many seating area for relaxation. And the area could be set up as an exhibition area. Like right now, we have the Why We Love Seoul exhibition until February 27. So Seoul is another district of Seoul. This shopping mall is located in the district of YANGCHEON-GU. So what's in here are the Seoul Immigration Office and the Mokdong Ice Rink. So right now, they set up the exhibition showcasing the Seoul district. This is with plants. It's very apt because we have here real plants on the glass house. This is Project Rent. So Seoul district is populated with red brick buildings like that in the photo. Lasitpo. Letavi. This is the workshop area. Now there's an exhibition also, part of the exhibit. I will show you this later. Seoul is also popular for handmade shoes. This one is East Oakham. East Oakham. So it's a clothes shop or tailor shop. Oh, sadly, they turned off the screen now because it's 30 minutes from closing of the shopping mall. But this is Hangang Brewery. And they have some makgeolli here. Makgeolli is the rice wine. of Korea. And it was featured on Netflix in the show Midnight Asia Seoul. And this is the timestamp at 4 minutes 19 seconds. So shout out to Whimsical Thoughts. She told me about this documentary and that the Seongsu district of Seoul was featured. Is that S for Seongsu? Now this is Friday movement. So they have some outdoor recreational stops like for your grilling, camping, barbecue, seats, surfboards. Now this is mail pack for packing your things. These are leather. So this bag, it looks like a paper bag, but it's leather.